So today we are going to be showing you how you can make plastic from milk and vinegar. It's a pretty fun science experiment using chemistry where you can make your own toys. So we're going to be making smaller sizes, but obviously if you want to make a really large batch, you can do that too. But since all three of my helpers wanted to join for this one, I'm just going to give them each a little bit. So the first thing is just you have milk and you need to get it really nice and hot, and you can do that in the microwave or on top of the stove, and be sure younger ones to get help from mom or dad because you don't want to get burned by the milk. And so you need a container, a bowl or something, or a big cup or glass to mix in, and a spoon or some other stirring thing. And you might want to have a tray so that there is less mess to clean up afterward. Now these are different size bowls, so you know how siblings are, they're looking and trying to figure out who got what amount, but they're different size bowls so you can't tell. Alright, so now I'm going to put in, so they each have a little under a cup. Usually you can do one full cup. And then you want to put in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of vinegar. And then you're going to go ahead and take your spoon and stir. 2, 3, 4. Oh, good. Yeah, it's working. So you want, one thing is to make sure, we've done this before but we didn't have hot enough milk, and it really doesn't turn out very good. So if you have nice hot milk, then you're going to get more curd. So you want to stir carefully so that it stays inside the bowl. So that's important because mom or dad don't really love to clean up a big, huge mess after. Good. So mix, mix, mix really good.
I just got it.
And then when yours is getting really nice and mixed, the next thing is going to be to have a strainer. And if you don't have a strainer with a small mesh on it like this one, you can use an old t-shirt or something like that to strain it through as well. So the next thing is going to be to take your mixture, and you can kind of see all these curds in here. So lots of the little parts of the milk protein. Do you guys see that? And then my hand can get out of your way. There we go. So it's kind of gross looking if you think about it. And then you're going to go ahead and try to get all the curds out and pour the liquid into another container like that.
It's a bit lost it.
And so into his bowl, or into the extra bowl, we are getting rid of some of the liquid. And then the next thing is going to be, you want to get rid of more of the liquid, because otherwise you're not going to get plastic, you're going to get like gross wet milk curds, and who really wants to play with that? I don't know. I guess that could be a fun sensory activity, but this time we're trying to make plastic out of it. So we're going to let it finish draining on there. And then I'm going to come around. I have a couple other friends waiting for their turn. So let's go ahead over to the next one here. And let me move it back just a bit so you guys can all see that really well. So we're going to pour this out. And you can kind of go ahead and grab yours with the paper towel and kind of squeeze the paper towel around it. Yeah, so get the rest of the liquid out of there. So, and you can look at what you're doing so that it doesn't fall onto your tray, and kind of squeeze the water out, the liquid out, into the paper towel. Yeah, so you want to pay attention so that it doesn't go outside of where you want it to be.
Inside. Inside you go. And squeeze.
So you guys can see. I'll do it over this bowl here.
No,
as
it opened
drips.
up.
You guys can see what that kind of looks like right there. All right.
No, it came out.
Well, that'll kind of be up to you to work on that. To have to use some good self-control so that it doesn't squeeze out through there. You want to just kind of pat it.
Oh.
And I might need to bring you another paper towel since for some reason it's all wet on your tray. I'm not sure.
You said to squeeze it into here.
Oh, okay. So maybe you need your bowl back. So if you're going to squeeze it, you might want to squeeze it into a bowl. So if you're going to squeeze it some more, there's a bowl there for you.
I can't squeeze it anymore so it comes out.
All right, so we have our last one here. And let's get rid of her extra liquid. So the vinegar is helping the milk proteins come out of the liquid. And so I'm just kind of pressing it to get rid of the extra liquid as I can.
Why is the color yellow? What did you just do, Chloe? I'm just grabbing this.
So good, because she's going to squeeze the extra liquid into there. Right. I think we're done with this one. All right.
Why did the liquid look yellow when you took it out?
That's just the color of the milk. If you've ever had a glass of milk, if you kind of look at it in the light, sometimes it'll look a little bit yellowy. And then when the vinegar is pulling out all the proteins out of there, all the casein, that's what you're left with. So once it's pretty dry, then you want to get it out of your paper towel.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. How does that hurt? Ow, 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 ow. It's just saying ow. I said ow, 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 ow.
Okay, so you want to try to get it on your tray. So you need to use your hands. If you've kind of lost a little self-control and you squish it too much in your paper towel, then you might need to use your hands to get it back out. All right, good. And then now take it and form it together.
Okay,
You're done with your bowl. I can take that for you.
Form it.
I just want to stick together now because it's so dry.
Well, you might need to pick it up in your hand and kind of squish it like Play-Doh.
I'm squishing it like Play-Doh. It feels kind of weird.
Is it okay if it's like a little damp?
Yeah. No, it's gonna eventually
Doesn't
dry.
hurt.
My paper towel is too soaked to open.
Yeah, no, that's a little bit wet is good.
Yeah, mine's just a tiny bit wet. There.
Good. And then go ahead and flatten it out on your tray. Big enough so that you can take whatever your shape is. So you guys can each show them what shape you picked. So Chloe, what did you pick?
I picked a heart.
And how
I
about
picked
you?
a flower.
And what do you have over there?
A butterfly?
All right, very fun. So flatten it out to be just the right size for your shape. And then you're going to go ahead and cut it out.
Let me do that.
And then at first it's going to be kind of still pretty soft. So that's okay. So then you're going to let it finish drying. And then when it's all done drying, you will have made your very own plastic shape. So we can see, if you have extra here, I think Chloe needs a little more. I think
How?
that she
chose a big shape?
well, a medium one. And
No.
she didn't have quite as much as you did.
There's
So
a
let me
different
show
butterfly.
the butterfly.
Butterfly!
Pretty cool, huh? So once it's dry, he'll have made his very own plastic toy. How about you? Is the flower working out?
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right, let's show our friends. And here's the flower. So that's pretty cool too once it's all done drying. But you can see how this is much better than when we didn't have the milk hot before.
And when it's dry.
There we go. There we go.
All right, and so thanks so much for watching another Super Science Girl science video, and I hope you guys have fun at home choosing and making your own plastic shapes, and then can play with them once they're all dry. So, all right, bye-bye, have a good day.
Goodbye.